In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Substack homepage. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and which controls to use, so your publication looks clean, consistent, and on-brand. Start by opening Substack. Once you're in your account, look to the top right corner for your profile image or initial, and click it to open your account options. In that same area, you'll see a small three-dot menu. Click that to reveal additional tools that aren't shown by default. From that menu, select Publisher Dashboard. This is your control center for everything related to your publication. Inside the dashboard, head into Settings. Think of Settings as the place where you manage both the nuts and bolts details and the visual style that readers will see. In Settings, scroll until you reach the Website category. This is where Substack groups the options that affect how your site and homepage appear to visitors. Within this section, click Edit Theme. You'll be taken to the Theme Editor, where your design tools live. You should see your publication preview alongside a panel of options. On the right side of the Theme Editor, open the drop-down menu. From the available choices, select Custom. Choosing Custom unlocks direct control over key visual elements, so you can fine-tune the look rather than relying on a preset. Now adjust the essentials. Start with background color. This sets the canvas for your pages, so pick a tone that makes your text easy to read. High contrast, like dark text on a light background, typically improves readability. Next, choose your accent. The accent color is used for highlights such as buttons, links, and emphasis elements. Pick something that complements your background and reflects your brand personality without overpowering your content. Finally, set your titles format. This controls the style of your headlines, font, weight, and overall presence. Aim for a title style that's readable at a glance and consistent with your voice, whether that's bold and modern or classic and understated. As you tweak these settings, watch the live preview to see changes in context. Check that links are visible, buttons stand out clearly, and headings guide the eye. If you anticipate a lot of mobile readers, choose styles that stay legible on smaller screens and maintain sufficient color contrast. When you're happy with your choices, click Save. Your updates apply to your homepage and will help create a cohesive experience across your publication. And remember, you can always return to the theme editor to refine your background, accent, or title styling as your brand evolves.